Well, back with another video, and this time there's no silver. Not unboxing anything this time. So silver prices are really good right now. Spot price, $12 and some change. But I'm not buying silver right now. It's got a lot to do with the online bullion dealers. A lot of them are not dropping their 1 ounce silver coins down to the spot price. So right now I'm taking advantage of the stock market through stockpile.com. I haven't used it in about a year now, but this time around I'm back into it. Before, the biggest thing for me with the stocks was ownership. I like that feeling of ownership before. But this time around, it's about profit. So I'm not really buying my favorites. I'm just kind of buying low right now in a lot of great companies. A lot of these companies, which I'm going to name, just a month ago, they were 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, $60 higher than what I just purchased them for. So Monday on the 16th, March 16th, I had purchased 2 shares in Royal Caribbean Cruises. A month prior, it was $112.49 per share. Monday, I got this deal for $29.94. $29.94 compared to $112.49 a month prior. So I got 2 shares of that. So the market's gonna go back up. So I'm just looking at that right there, and that's pretty much a $90 profit I had to gain off of 1 share. So I got 2 shares now. So it's $180 with a $60 investment that I potentially have to gain. I got in on Dave & Buster's Entertainment. A month ago, Dave & Buster's was $47.05 a share. I roughly got about 3.5 shares with Monday's price, $7.20. $7.20. That's a great deal. That's almost a $40 profit off of just 1 share when it goes back up, because it will go back up. So that's $120 with Monday's price that I can have a net profit of, with only roughly about a $25 investment. The third one I brought Monday was Spirit Airlines. The cheap airline. I'm not mad at them. So a month ago, Spirit Airlines is $43.66 a share. I got it Monday for $11.66. So I roughly got 2.1 shares, $25 investment. So it's a good deal. American Airlines, Delta. A lot of the bigger airlines have a higher cost per share. So Spirit Airlines, it's affordable, just like their flights. All right, so let's go down to today. Actually just 1 hour ago, I purchased these stocks. DineEquity. DineEquity is the umbrella company that owns Applebee's and IHOP. So 1 month ago, 1 share was $92.39. $92.39. I just purchased it about an hour ago. I purchased it for, this is what I got written down here. got about $10. So I mean that's a huge profit. The second one I got was Jack in the Box. Jack in the Box is not common here in the South, or I don't even know if this part of the country, east of the Mississippi, but it's big in the West Coast. But a month ago, they were $87.67 a share, and I just got it for $18. I purchased one share, so it's a huge gap in profit that can be made here. The last one I just purchased, Signet Jewelers. Signet Jewelers is a company that owns Zell's Diamond Store. So a month ago, they were $25.79 a share. I just purchased 3 shares now for about $7.50 a share just a few minutes ago. Now, this is at the price that I placed it at. I still gotta wait till 4 p.m. Central Time for that price to actually lock in whatever price the stock market closes at for the day. So I'm still looking at to get about roughly 3 shares. If it goes down even a little bit more, then I'll make, I'll gain more shares for, the same amount of money. So, like I said, $25.79 1 month ago. I just spent $7.50 for 1 share. I bought 3 of them. It's affordable. So yeah, I mean, just for the next 2 weeks, I'm not buying any silver. I'm just gonna be focused on this stock market right now, and looking at highs and lows, and trying to, pick what I'm choose for bigger profits. Like I said, this time around, it's not about ownership; it's all about profits. My rich dad, which is Robert Kiyosaki, is actually my favorite financial author. As far as my foundation of investing and the understanding of assets and liabilities, he said for him, he enjoys stock market crashes. Now, what he says is that basically when stock market crashes or we go into recessions and things like that, that all it is just a transfer of wealth. Money going from one hand to the other. Money going from super rich. We just lost $6 trillion last week in the stock market. Within 1 week, took since President Trump's been in office, it took about, I guess, 3.5, 3 to 3.5 years now, just to see that all 3.5 years worth of profit going in 1 week. So now in 2008, we had a recession. Back then, I was 17, going on 18 years old. I didn't have the knowledge that I have now as far as understanding opportunity in these kind of moments and things like that. So while people are in fear selling, I'm gonna buy up this time around. Now that I have the knowledge, so now I can apply the knowledge and actually see it work this time. So right now, markets are definitely down. But I'm not in fear because of course it's gonna go back up. It's just a matter of time. Right now is the best time to buy low so you can sell high later. But yeah, so no silver for me for the next 2 weeks. I'm still gonna be buying that the second series in the 2020 American The Beautiful series coming out next month, or actually, next month, April 6th actually. I'm gonna be buying that, but in the meantime, I'm just taking a little money from every paycheck and budgeting it towards stocks right now. So, yep, feeling pretty good about this. Actually, a great thing that happened just Monday, I was actually able to get a coworker. He's not into investing or anything like that. He's a 22-year-old kid. I was actually able to get him on going with stockpile.com. And I mean, this guy, he just spent $400. You know, no experience. You know, he got some strong companies. Boeing, you know, he got the Royal Caribbean Cruise Line. You know, he got Jack in the Box just last night. I mean, he got a lot of great companies. But he spent $400, and you know, within an hour of me just speaking to him, he had already signed up, created his account, got everything synced and linked up, and he got started. So that made me feel pretty good, you know, that he actually has an interest for it, you know, because I'm sure he wants to make a profit. Everyone wants to make a profit. But it's the difference between seeing and understanding an opportunity and putting it into action. So I'm actually glad to see him put that into action as far as getting excited and actually wanting to go ahead and get started. Because right now the market is low, so it's not going to be low for a long time. It probably will, but the thing is, you got to act now. You got to close in on this time frame that you got. There were so many millionaires made back in 2008 during that recession. Now, what I'm doing now, this is not going to make me a millionaire, but it will provide a great profit, you know, for little investment when the markets do go back up. So, yeah, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 6 companies I got. 3 within the last hour, and 3 on Monday. So I got my eye on a few other companies. I'm just kind of waiting to see if they're going to dip down a little further, which they probably will. You know, the stock market on Tuesday gained 1,000 points, and only for it to lose 1,000 points again today on Wednesday, or roughly 1,000 points. So right now it's just all about taking advantage. So yeah, the money that I put into these companies, yeah, I go online and I click on them. Yeah, I lost profit, but I'm looking at that bigger number that it was at its peak. You know, that's like, you know, you may not see it now, but that's actually the true story of the company. Look at where it was a month ago prior, and now look at where it's now. You know, a month's difference, and you're talking 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 dollar difference between the high and the current price, and it's still going lower. So yeah, it's a great opportunity in this, and I try to tell people about this time to time, you know, those that have an ear to listen, because this is a great way to build wealth. A lot of wealthy people have their money in the stock market. So yeah, this is just what I'm doing right now. Stocks. I'm still going to do my precious metals. Still doing my Fundrise crowdfunding real estate account. I still got my treasury notes. You know, they got to mature up to 10 years, I believe. Still got them going. So, you know, I'm all the time looking for new investments. You know, investments, assets, not liabilities. So, anything that's going to be of value or make a profit or be worth something, that's what I'm always interested in doing. So, you know, I'm just kind of trying to create that 7 streams of income. You know, I got my regular job at work. Take about $100 a week to invest. You know, and you know, that's what's going to provide wealth in the long term. But it's all about right now and, you know, acting upon right now. So, yep. All right, so that's it for this video. All right, peace.